Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about time. Hopefully you've already watched the video about how to tell time and you're good at that part so far. There's a little bit more to it and we're going to get into that today. In Spanish there's no actual word ago, and so it's a new grammatical structure if you want to talk about how long ago something happened, or also how long something has been happening for, or how long something used to happen for. So if you want to talk about time duration with events, this is how you do it. Okay, you got to remember that verb hacer and then an amount of time. And so the first one, to talk about how long ago something happened, goes like this. You have the verb hacer, you conjugate it hace, and then you have an amount of time. Make sure it's an actual amount of time, not like a date or anything, but an actual quantifiable amount of time, like seconds, minutes, hours, weeks, days, years. And then you have the word que, and then you have a verb in preterite tense. Okay? So that'll look like this. You might say something like, hace 2 días que hice mis tareas. I did my homework 2 days ago. Okay? There's actually another way to say the same thing, I did my homework 2 days ago. And you basically change the word order a little bit. It looks like this. You have the preterite verb at the beginning. You say desde hace, and then the amount of time after that. So for example, hice mis tareas desde hace 2 días. Okay, that means the exact same thing. I did my homework 2 days ago. So you could do hace 2 días que hice mis tareas, where you do the hace at the beginning, or you could flip it and do the hace at the end and the verb at the beginning. Another example of how to do the hacer time stuff to talk about time is how long something has been happening for, right? So that'll look like this. It's very similar to the one you just saw, but you'll use present tense instead. You have hace, you have an amount of time, you have que, and you have a verb in present tense, and that looks like this. Hace 2 días que hago mis tareas. I've been doing my homework for 2 days. Okay, so this one you can also switch around like the first one, and you could say present tense verb desde hace, an amount of time. And that would, to say the same thing in a different way, would be hago mis tareas desde hace 2 días. Again, means the same thing. I've been doing my homework for 2 days. Okay, so both of those are interchangeable. They mean the same thing, and you can pick the one you like and run with it and get good at that. One other one is to say how long something had been happening. Okay, so it's the same format, that hacer, time, que, and all that, but you're going to have the imperfect tense this time. Okay, so what that looks like is hace 2 días que hacía mis tareas. That means I had been doing my homework for 2 days. Okay? Same thing with this one. You can flip the word order and add desde. So imperfect tense of the verb, desde hace, amount of time. So to say the same thing in just a different way, hacía mis tareas desde hace 2 días. I had been doing my homework for 2 days. So there's 2 ways to say the same thing with all of these. You have hacer or hace at the beginning, amount of time, que, and then a verb. Or you can flip it and go verb desde hace, amount of time. Okay, so that's how you're going to tell how long things have been happening for, or when they happened, or how long they have been going on. And now you're even better at telling time. Congratulations.